For adult learners, engagement is everything. They don't just want content, they want connection, relevance, and results. That's why building real-world learning experiences matters. Real-world learning means moving beyond lectures and into life. It means designing content that reflects the challenges, decisions, and goals adults actually face. The first step is to start with real problems. Instead of abstract theory, ground learning in scenarios, cases, and projects that mirror reality. Ask, what would this learner be doing in the workplace, in their community, in their daily life? Next, make it interactive. Adults learn best by doing. Give them simulations, role plays, and tasks that require decision-making and action. Let them experiment, fail safely, and try again. Use storytelling to bring concepts to life. Stories make abstract ideas relatable. They help learners connect emotionally, remember more, and see themselves in the material. Create space for collaboration. Group work, discussion forums, and peer feedback allow learners to learn from each other's experiences. For adults, learning is often social. It's amplified when it happens in community. Provide immediate relevance. Make it clear how each activity ties back to their goals, challenges, or roles. Adults are motivated when they see the why behind the what. Also, integrate reflection. Ask learners to connect new knowledge to past experiences. Let them share how they'll apply it moving forward. Reflection deepens learning and reinforces transformation. And don't forget flexibility. Real-world learning must fit into real lives. Offer choices in format, pacing, and tools so learners can personalize their journey. Finally, ask for feedback and iterate. Check if the learning experience feels real, useful, and engaging from the learner's perspective. Use their input to keep refining and improving. When we build real-world learning experiences, we give adult learners more than just knowledge. We give them confidence, clarity, and the tools to apply what they've learned in the moments that matter. Because the most powerful learning doesn't end in the classroom. It starts there and lives on in the real world.